A lifelong banquet, fueling our bodies. Did you know that the average person consumes over 60,000 pounds of food in their lifetime? That's equivalent to the weight of several elephants. Our digestive system can be broadly divided into two major components, the gastrointestinal or GI tract and the accessory organs. The GI tract is a long, winding muscular tube approximately 30 feet long extending from our mouth to our anus. Think of it as a dedicated highway for food, carefully guiding it through various stages of digestion and absorption. The accessory organs, including the liver, pancreas, and gallbladder, play a supporting role by secreting enzymes and other substances crucial for breaking down food. Our circulatory system, a vast network of blood vessels, also participates in this digestive symphony. It ensures that the nutrients extracted from the food reach every cell in our body. Understanding this intricate process gives us a deeper appreciation for the wonders happening within our bodies every day. The journey begins in the mouth, where our teeth initiate the process of mechanical digestion. Chewing breaks down large food particles into smaller, more manageable pieces, increasing their surface area for more efficient enzymatic breakdown. As we chew, our salivary glands release saliva, a watery fluid containing enzymes like amylase. Amylase plays a crucial role in jump-starting carbohydrate digestion, breaking down complex starches into simpler sugars. The tongue helps manipulate food during chewing and mixes it with saliva, forming a soft, moist ball called a bolus. This bolus is then propelled to the back of the throat and swallowed, marking the beginning of its journey down the esophagus. Through a series of rhythmic muscular contractions called peristalsis, the bolus is propelled downward. At the end of the esophagus, a muscular ring called the lower esophageal sphincter, or LES, relaxes, allowing the bolus to enter the stomach. Once the bolus passes through the LES, the real digestive action begins in the stomach, a J-shaped muscular organ located in the upper abdomen. The stomach is a dynamic organ constantly contracting and churning, mixing the bolus with gastric juices. These juices, secreted by specialized cells in the stomach lining, contain hydrochloric acid, or HCl, and enzymes like pepsin. HCl activates pepsin, which then begins to break down proteins into smaller peptides. The stomach also secretes mucus, a thick, slippery substance that protects its lining from the corrosive effects of HCl. As the stomach churns and mixes, it transforms the bolus into a semi-liquid mixture called chyme. This process typically takes several hours depending on the composition of the meal. The rhythmic contractions of the stomach, coupled with the action of gastric juices, effectively break down food into a form suitable for further digestion and absorption in the small intestine. The small intestine, a long coiled tube about 20 feet in length, is where the majority of nutrient absorption takes place. The chyme is gradually released from the stomach into the duodenum through the pyloric sphincter, another muscular ring that regulates the flow of digestive contents. In the duodenum, the chyme is mixed with pancreatic juice, secreted by the pancreas, and bile, produced by the liver and stored in the gallbladder. Section 4. Absorption and beyond, the final act. The jejunum and ileum are responsible for absorbing the nutrients released during digestion. The inner lining of the small intestine is folded into finger-like projections called villi, which in turn have microscopic projections called microvilli. This intricate folding dramatically increases the surface area available for absorption, ensuring that our body efficiently captures the nutrients from our food. As the chyme travels through the small intestine, nutrients are absorbed through the villi and into the bloodstream. The bloodstream then carries these nutrients to the liver, which acts as a central processing unit, filtering, detoxifying, and distributing nutrients to the rest of the body. Once the nutrients have been absorbed, the remaining indigestible material, primarily fiber and water, moves into the large intestine, also known as the colon. The colon is responsible for absorbing water from the indigestible material, solidifying it into stool. The colon also houses trillions of bacteria, collectively known as the gut microbiota, which play a crucial role in our overall health. Section 5. The grand finale, time for elimination. The final stage of the digestive journey takes place in the rectum, the last portion of the large intestine. The rectum stores stool until it is ready to be eliminated from the body. When the rectum is full, it sends signals to the brain, triggering the urge to defecate. The anus, the opening at the end of the digestive tract, is controlled by two sphincter muscles, the internal anal sphincter and the external anal sphincter. The internal anal sphincter is involuntary, meaning we have no conscious control over it. The external anal sphincter, on the other hand, is under voluntary control, allowing us to delay defecation until a convenient time. By making conscious choices about our diet and lifestyle, we can support the health and optimal functioning of our digestive system, ensuring that it continues to nourish and sustain us throughout our lives. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more positive content, and don't forget to share it with your friends.